My name is Jessica and I have no idea what I'm doing. I really don't, I swear. This did not come out exactly the way I had planned, but that's okay. I'm gonna see if I can do a better job on this eye, and even if I can't, I bet you can. So hopefully this video will inspire you for a heart-shaped Valentine's Day look. I mostly use the Colourpop Lilac You A Lot palette for this, but even if you don't have the products that I do, as long as you match the color with something you have at home, or of course you can always substitute for anything you like better. First thing I'm going to do is take Ghostin', which is a bright pinky lilac. I'm taking that on my Beige Cosmetics brush with a 3 on it, and this is kind of going to be my transition shade. So you want to put it in your crease and blend it upwards. I took mine pretty high today because of the heart, so I'm going to go like almost all the way up to my brow bone, but I also have hooded eyes. I think this look will be better suited for those who don't, but that's never stopped me before, right? And it shouldn't stop you either. There we go. And then I'm also going to take my BH Cosmetics brush with a 5 on it. Here it is. And I'm going to take the same color and put that across my lower lash line. And I'm going to blend it kind of far, like further than I usually would, because we still want to see it after the heart has been placed. Yeah, I'm almost bringing it to the bags under my eyes. There we go. Then I'm taking my BH Cosmetics brush with a 6 on it. Poor BH Cosmetics, I'm so sad. And I'm gonna put that into this matte red from my Morphe 35B palette. So again, if you don't have this palette, use a matte red or whatever it is that you want to use. I'm gonna put this in my crease, and I want it to be as pigmented and deep as I can get it. But I want to try not to lose the pink, so that's why I'm starting small. I'm gonna clean off my brush, and I'm gonna just blend out the edges a little. Again, if you have more lid space, you don't have to be as meticulous. Then I'm taking my little brush from Wish here, and I'm going to go back into the red, and I'm only gonna go on the outer and inner thirds of my lower lash line. And this time I'm gonna keep it tighter than when I kind of blended out the pinky color. Then I'm going to take the red on my pinky. There we go. And I'm going to come in a little bit from the outer corner. But remember, we're leaving this space for the heart. So only come in a little bit. You could, of course, draw the heart over it, but I think this is better so that you have less chance of like the other colors peeking through. Just trying to blend that a little bit. Then I'm also going to take it and put it on the inner portion of my lid here. There we go. So see, I left room for where that heart is going to be. Then I'm going back into the Lilac You A Lot palette, and I want this shiny pinky with a touch of lavender color. So I'm going to take a little bit of it on my pinky, and I'm going to put it right in the center here on my lower lash line. And then I'm going to take it on my index finger. And I'm just going to do like 1, 2 swipes again for that heart shape. So this direction. And the other direction. Now you could definitely like do a cut crease kind of thing with this. You could lay down some concealer first. You could lay down a white base, like to map out the heart first. You could use glitter glue. All the things that like I should have done but didn't. This shade is called Cloud 9, by the way. Then I'm going to take my little brush from Wish again. This time I'm going to put it into both of these shades here. So I have like a brighter purple and then I have like a more plum burgundy kind of color. So Iffy and Filtered. And I'm going to start down here and just start like mapping out where the edge of that heart is. So down here you should be aiming for like a triangular shape. So that's the bottom of the heart. And then up here is the fun part. So on the edges, so kind of try to continue through your eye. To where that heart would be. I'm just going to go around the heart like this. I'm going to switch though to my Beige Cosmetics brush with a 6 on it. Because I think, well, that's what I did on this side and then I didn't like it, but I don't like how this is going either. So I'm going to start, see the dip in the heart? I'm going to start going around. Same colors. Just start mapping out that heart. And this side too. If yours kind of looks more like Mickey Mouse ears for now, that's okay. Mine did too. And then when I put the eyeliner over it, it definitely helped. This is more for you, so that when you put the eyeliner on, you know where to go. And it also makes the look a little less harsh. Then I'm taking my Kiko Supercolor eyeliner in 07. This is Burgundy. It's more like a plum though, I have to say. If you have a true burgundy, I think that would look better, but I don't. So I'm going to use this like plummy shade. And basically you're just drawing around the heart now. So be careful, be gentle, go slow. Okay, the bottom's the easy part. Now I'm going to go around the top. And like I said, just take it slow. I'm breathing in between, not during. And I messed up anyway, that's okay. So I'm going to let that dry. And then when it does, I'm going to go in with the Pinky Lavender Shimmer again to try to fix it. This channel is not about getting it right all the time, and it's not about being perfect, in case you couldn't tell. This channel is about having fun and being creative and just messing around. Because good things come from messing around with makeup. Sometimes, anyway. long as you had fun getting there. So I'm just filling that in, as I said. Looks better if your eyes are closed. Oh, if I can't see it, it looks better. I'm just gonna see if I could straighten this out a little more. And then maybe thicken this side, since the other side is so thick. Just like in life, with makeup you gotta be flexible and adjust. Just so you know, in life, I'm not like that at all. But with makeup, I can do it. You gotta start somewhere. Then at the end, I also threw in just a little bit of white, like a matte white, which is something I never ever do, but there's a time to try everything, right? So from my Morphe 35B palette is where I got that white. I just took some on my finger and put it in the inner corner, and then just blended it out a little bit. For my lashes, I wanted something big, bold, fluttery, so of course I went with the Too Faced Better Than mascara, and I actually put that on the top and bottom lashes, curling the top ones first, as I do most of the time. I actually did 3 coats on the top lashes and 2 coats on the bottom lashes. Not my usual, I know. Man, it is one of those days. Like, all of this video could just be bloopers. One big blooper of a video. So let me show you what else I used today. I started with the Avon Anu Vitale Day Cream, just to moisturize my skin. There was no like special reason. I'm testing this out. Then I decided to go with the Beauty Blender Bounce Skin Tint Always On Radiant Skin Tint Foundation. Again, just because this is something that I've been using more often now. I think it has decent coverage, stays on pretty well, and I got it for free from Influencer, so I'm using it up since it's doing a decent job. Then I went with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, just for where I needed it, because I need concealer right now. And as usual, my Maybelline Fit Me powder to set everything and make everything matte, just like I like it. So those things, I had no like special reason related to the actual look to choose them, but I did choose the HipDot SpongeBob Sandy Cheeks Blush Bronzer that I just stuck my finger into. I wanted to go with like a chocolate-ish bronzer and a pink matte blush, so that's why I chose those. And then for my highlighter, I don't know if you can see it, I actually used the same eyeshadow that I used for the heart. I used that as a highlighter. I just put it on my finger and I rubbed it into my cheeks. And then for my lips, I decided to go with something kind of red and with a little bit of sheen to it. So I went with the e.l.f. Sheer Slick Lipstick in Cherry Slush. I hope you liked this look, or at least had fun watching me try to do it. If you decide to try it on your own, and I know it's going to come out better than mine, I'd love to see it. Tag me on Instagram at Jessica4695. I'll put it on the screen as well. And quick shameless plug before I go. I'm wearing one of my, I think this is like my favorite one, the original one I did. This is my Chibi Penguin Love shirt. I have it on a lot of different products on Teespring and Redbubble. I have those links down below as well. Right now I'm wearing it for Valentine's, but you can wear it any time of the year because penguins are awesome. Alright, that's it for today. I hope you have a good day no matter what it is you're doing. Bye! See you next time, and happy Valentine's Day!